just continue to monitor the weather because it's not looking good right now on like May 1st on that date. So I don't know that I'll be leaving May 1st because according to predict winds right now, it's all going to be like just headwind for all the way down the coast. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'll just keep monitoring it, and it looks like
I'm
going to go out the bar, and then I'm going to hang left and try and, because I'll get like 100 miles offshore, and then I'll try and follow the trade winds as long as it's like one constant flow. But I don't know. I'll route as I'm there, as I'm doing it, depending on the winds.
Okay.